Good morning, children. Today we will have to solve our exercise 11.2, problem number 13. B. Here you have given a figure, this type of figure, given that it is given that 59 degree and this is also given that 32 degree. This is a point A, point B, C, and this is point D. Y, this is point C. So first of all, we have to find out our angle. So this angle also became 59 degree, but how? Angle ABC is equal to 59 degree because you know already that the angle before the side same, because the angle before the side are same. Okay, so from here we have to use the property of the triangle in ABC. Angle ABC plus angle BCA plus angle BAC plus angle BAC, okay, is equal to 180 degree. So from here we get from here ABC given that 59 degree plus BCA also we have to find this angle BCA plus BAC also given that 59 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so from here we get angle BCA is equal to 180 degree minus 59 degree. From here we get 59 degree plus 59 degree also. Okay, so from here we get 180 degree minus 59 118 degree 62 degree. So from here we get angle BCA is equal to 62 degree. So this angle became 62 degree. Again we have to find this angle and this angle. So from here we get in triangle ACD, you can also see here that on this line angle ACD plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so from here we get angle ACD is equal to angle ACD is equal to 180 degree minus angle ACB. Okay, angle ACB also given that 180 degree minus angle ACB or BCA 62 degree. Okay, so from here we get 118 degree. So this angle became 118 degree. Okay, now we have to find the value of angle Y. First of all we have to erase this. Now again we have to solve for the value of the angle Y because there is no space on the board. So from here for the value of angle Y, angle ADC is equal to angle ADC is equal to 180 minus angle ACD plus angle CAD. Angle ACD plus angle CAD. Angle CAD is equal to 180 minus 180 plus 32 degree is equal to 180 minus, add to 10 0 1 1 3 4 1 5 150 degree. From here we get 180 minus 150 is equal to 30 degree. So the angle ABC is equal to 30 degree. So y is equal to 30 degree. Okay, this is our answer. Now again we have to erase this. Part C. Here part C also given that this type of figure in which you have given that here point B, here point C, this is X, this side and this side is equal to same. Here the point A, this is a point D, and this angle is given that 105 degree. So from here we have to find the value of X. So first of all, here given that 105 degree, this angle. So you know that the exterior angle of any triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior angle of a triangle. Okay. So and now also you can see here that on the line BD, angle A exterior plus angle A interior is equal to 180 degree. Should be this. Now again from here we can write it as angle DAB plus angle DAC is equal to angle DAC plus angle DAB. No, here DAC and CAB, angle DAC plus angle CAB is equal to 180 degree. Then from here given that angle DAC 105 degree plus CAB, angle CAB is equal to 180 degree. So from here angle CAB is equal to 180 degree minus 105 degree. Okay, from here we get 175 degree. 75 degree the angle of CAB. So this became 105 degree. Sorry, 75 degree. From here we use our formula that the angle before the side are same. So this side and this side also same. So angle before the side are same. So X and angle ABC plus and angle ACB are same because of these are the angle before the side. Okay, so from here we have to use the property of any triangle. So if this X, then this also becomes X, then 2X plus 75 degree is equal to 180 degree. So 2X is equal to 180 degree minus 75 degree, then 2X is equal to 180 minus 75 is equal to 105 degree. Then X is equal to 105 degree upon 2 is equal to 2 5 is 10, 2 is 4, 1 by 2 degree. So also this and this became same. This is the solution of this equation. Okay. from here we have to solve our next question. In next problem, problem number 14, you have given that here this type of figure. This type of figure you have given that. This type of figure. This is a point. This is a point D. Given that 40 degree. This is a point P. And this point given that S. This angle is S, this angle P, and this point given that C, this is D. Angle 40 degree given that. Here given that R. This is R. This Q angle. Here point A. Here given that 60 degree. And here given that 55 degree. 55 degree. Okay. 55 degree. And this is B given that, and also we have to find the value of P, Q, S and R. Okay, the value of P, Q, S and R. So from here you see that angle ABC plus angle BCA plus angle CAB, ABC plus angle BCA plus angle CAB is equal to 180 degree. So from here we get angle BCA is S plus given that angle CAB is equal to 60 degree is equal to 180 degree, and also here given that angle ABC 55 degree. Okay, so from here S is equal to 180 degree minus 60 plus 55 degree. So 180 minus 115 degree. So S is equal to 180 minus 115. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Here 7. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. 65 degree. So the value of S is equal to 65 degree. From here you can see. You have to erase this. Then again, from here you can see this. This is angle S. You can see this angle ACB plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. This should be. So from here angle ACD is equal to angle ACD is equal to 180 minus angle ACB. So ACB here given that 65 degree. Then angle ACD is equal to 180 minus 65 degree is equal to 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Here given that 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. 115 degree. Okay, so the value of this angle is equal to 115 degree. Now again, here in this figure we can see that angle A exterior ACD plus angle CDA plus angle CDA plus angle DAC. Angle DAC is equal to should be also 180 degree. So from here this is given that angle ACD 115 degree plus CDA given that also 40 degree plus DAC, that means to angle R. So angle R is equal to, so I is equal to 180 degree. Then r is equal to 180 minus 115 plus 40. So 40 plus 115 is equal to 505, 145, 115 degree. Okay. So from here we get r is equal to 180 minus 155 is equal to 25 degree. Again we have to find the value of q. We raise this. This also become now the value 25 degree. Now we have to find the value of q. So we know that the exterior angle of any triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior angle of any triangle. So here the exterior angle of any triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior angle in any triangle. Okay. So from here we get q is equal to the value of q is equal to 115 plus 14. So q is equal to 155 degree. Okay. So the value of q is equal to 155 degree. So this is the solution of this question. Again here only one question remains, so you have to solve it, and next day we solve our next chapter, triangle inequality property. Now time is over and we stop our writing. Thank you children. Thank you.